Hi everyone, Stephanie Migliaccio here, kindergarten teacher at University Heights Elementary School, and I'm here to show you my proposed professional development plan, which will be a book study featuring Jan Richardson's The Next Step Forward in Guided Reading. So originally I did not do a book study, or I didn't choose to when I first told you guys about my plan, but after reading your comments and after seeing some of your ideas, I thought it would be best to be able to really tune into all of the protocols and steps of guided reading and really to use this book to help focus on all of the areas that kindergarten and first grade teachers really seem to struggle with. So it's really for K to 8, but I know that I'm most trained in K to 1, so it's something that I'm extremely passionate about, especially because my first year was a mess because I had no help. So even if you're a seasoned teacher, I thought this would be really beneficial. So there's the book there, and the purpose is to provide kindergarten and first grade teachers with a clear understanding and framework to successfully teach guided reading groups. It's not always easy teaching guided reading groups in K1. I mean, really any elementary school in any grade, it's not that easy. So here is what I looked like my first year and what most teachers feel like when they just don't have a plan or a purpose. And here's what we look like after my professional development, because we're all going to be successfully diving into what we need to do for guided reading. So even if it's for a new teacher or a seasoned teacher, I really feel like this could be beneficial for those teachers that really just need help focusing in on the skills that they need. So the foundation is teachers will be implementing educational trends like focusing on individual needs. My question here is, how can I connect to more than just emerging educational trends? How can I connect to social trends or economic trends? I'm kind of stuck here with that. So if you guys can help me out with that, I'd appreciate it. And it's a job embedded problem. New, old, it doesn't matter. This is something that is so crucial in the beginning of children's years in elementary school. So it's something that teachers are going to be able to take with them forever. So they're going to be able to read each chapter and come together to discuss how they can implement all the different components of the guided reading practices. So my goal or my vision here is to have, after every chapter or two, every few chapters, they'll go to each other's classrooms and see how they're implementing the strategies. Will it happen? I don't know, but because of finances with substitutes. However, my vision would be to be able to have teachers go into each other's classrooms. The resources that we'll need is the book, of course, and again, like I said, if finances allow, substitutes for peer reflection and being able to come up with more ideas or more questions that they may have. Our changes in adult learning would be, since we're meeting so frequently, that we'll be able to discuss what is working and what isn't working in our rooms, and we'll be able to collect this information. So I was hoping to have some kind of sheet or checklist that is specific and that each teacher will have the same one of, so we can kind of do a reflection of that. Now, my question there is every teacher going to take the same notes? I mean, I know someone already said that in one of our last week's forum, or the week before that, and that's something that some teachers take notes, some teachers don't. So what do you guys think about a checklist, a new one for each chapter, something to really be able to give teachers this, like, the ability to be on the same playing field? So I hope you guys like my professional development plan. Let me know what you think.